Melrose Hotel. Got to do walkthrough. They're working on framing, finishing up framing, and then also masonry. All right, so you can see the street is all repaired. It's open again. The masons cut this section out, added a lintel. You can see the repaired brick there for the new doorway. So that's where the new ADA doorway entry will be, and there'll be a ramp here. So when people come in, go up the stairs or a wheelchair ramp on the side. That maroon color there on the wall, paint color, gold trim, exterior paint. See, Mason's been working on some other areas, patching holes. Make sure it's watertight. All right, we're coming in the back side here. New doorways are cut in. You can see in the last video, these are the ones that we're filling in. But these are the new doorways for the rooms. There's a room, kitchenette, bathroom, each. This is also finished over here. So this section's 2x6, because it's structural. The LVL's installed, and then it moves over to 2x4. We've received the windows, so we'll be pulling all these windows out and installing them new, starting next week or the week after. There's another LVL section. So it's structural wall carrying the load, and then they've adjusted the headroom on this one to meet current code, so everything moved back about 16 inches there. Here's the new doorway cut in. Working on, you can see the lintel up here, it's steel, carries the load. This will be, you can see the walls in now, so you'll see this is the size of the bar. So it'll carry over, the seating will carry over into this section. Section's almost framed out. Putting in backing. See how taller the ceilings are over here. So this section's framed out. If you can see it, but that string line right there is the new level ceiling, so you can see how much it was sloped. On this side, the original rafters, and then it slopes up, so we had to bring it down so it's level. So nice flat ceilings throughout. Feel a better idea what it looks like. So then Mason's also working on these lintels. This is the new doorway. That one there is filled in. These ones are filled in. So here's a room. size, and then it has this wall to separate the kitchenette area. And these ones, even though the original opening is in place, we still have to put lintels in to widen the doors to 36-inch doors. Next week, HVAC, plumbing will be going in. So the roughing started. And then we also finished up the roof. So areas like this, you had to repair the parapet, add new bricks to where if it wasn't tall enough, or if it was an area where it was just failing. That's all secured now, and then you can see that yellow section there. That's actually the insulation. So under this whole roof, it's insulated from the top, which reduces costs from insulating on the inside. So there's a brand new roof here. So next week we'll be setting condenser units for the HVAC systems up here. Repaired the brick section there, and then they'll be putting a cap over the top, metal cap. You don't actually see the roofing material on the ground. There's other areas where the mason's been working on areas like this here. There was not a lintel installed, they installed one. And there's also some areas down the ground level where they're patching holes. Make sure it's watertight. Here's a view of the neon sign.